In light of what the scriptures tell us about Christians suing Christians, I recently visited the law offices of Matt Lynch to bring to him a hypothetical case where I, a Christian, would like to sue my neighbor, another Christian, for slander. This is what Matt had to say.
The purpose of the legal system is to resolve disputes. It's so we don't literally walk around with 6 guns in the Wild West and go out into the street at high noon. It's dispute resolution. People often come to me and they'll say, well, I want justice. And justice is an elusive goal. And if you're going to hire a lawyer and go to court, hopefully you'll get justice, but most often you'll resolve the dispute, and that really is the goal.
Oh, God,
You first would have to file a complaint. In this case, it would be a complaint for libel or slander, and you would file it in your local county court. Assuming that the value of your damages presumably would exceed $25,000, and because you have such a stellar reputation in the community, the damages would be well in excess of that. So you could file that in the local county court, the common pleas court, within 28 days after filing the complaint, which is basically a written statement of your concerns. Then your opponent, the defendant, would file his answer. Immediately assigned to a judge, and there are a series of steps and deadlines depending on the judge. It could take anywhere from several months to as much as a year before you get to a point where you actually have a trial. Well, I've had what I consider some serious Christians as clients who very quickly move to a position where they want to resolve the case. They really don't want to file a lawsuit. They may have a claim of some kind, but they really don't want to file a lawsuit. And it may be biblically based, or just maybe they're inclined to be more compromising than others. I don't know, but I mean, I do see differences in the way people approach disputes. Others come in, pound the table, and they want blood. So people often want to bring cases when really they shouldn't. And often people want to bring cases when there really is no legal solution. I mean, things happen for which sometimes there is no remedy.
Oh, God, why you been hanging out in that old violin?
Yes, well, the method of going to someone, brother in Christ or not, trying to resolve it is always good. Taking a couple of your buddies with you to do it is sometimes not the best. I did have a case once where we tried to do that, and we went to a gentleman's place of business, and I was with my client, and the lawyer was there with his client, and as we walked out into this warehouse area, his client walked across and started punching my client. So it didn't go all that well.
So do you think I should go talk to him?
Well, absolutely. Sure.
If I don't get anywhere, can I hire you?
Well, I'm not sure you can afford me.
Oh.
Does the church offer legal benefits?
No.
Yeah, they should. I think Parkside does.
That's good.